Dear learner, I welcome you all to the second week of the course on Science Communication, Research Productivity and Data Analytics using open source software. Here we will learn about data collection sources on research metrics. Today I will brief you on Scopus. This module will impart knowledge for conducting basic advanced search, how to export data, to know the author and institutional outputs, to impart knowledge about editing the author profiles, and to understand the journal level metrics available in Scopus. We can reach to Scopus through URL www.scopus.com. Scopus is a comprehensive, multidisciplinary, abstract and citation database with, with enriched data and linked scholarly literature across a wide variety of disciplines. Scopus can help you understand who is researching what and where with greater accuracy, providing invaluable data for strategic decision making. It can help you in conducting systematic literature reviews. Scopus has over 7,000 publishers, 21.7 million open access items, 17 million author profiles, 94.8 thousand organization profiles, and 27.9 thousand active journals. To access personalized features, one should create an account in Scopus by clicking Create Account. See, now I am signing in Scopus as I have already an account with Elsevier. So I am using the credentials and signing in Scopus. After registration, sign in into Scopus to take advantage of range of personalized features. You can create and save list of documents, authors or sources, save your searches, set up alerts, customize the export feature of the preferred reference manager tool, manage any request you have made to Scopus, support team, manage your Elsevier account information and privacy options. So now we move to document search. Document includes journal, articles, book, chapter, conference proceeding, article in press and data paper. We can follow the following step to conduct a basic search. See, we first enter the term. I am putting one term coffee product. In this I am writing just PRODUC and then putting one asterisk and closing this term. I will let you know about the details why I am putting the asterisk. This is a loose phrase searching term and this will search coffee product, coffee products and coffee productivity. All the terms containing coffee product or related terms together. So now I am searching. This is the search base and see I have got 2966 documents. On the right hand side we can save the search, set the alert. I am saving the search with this term coffee product. So my search term has been saved and I can further refine the search using open access, year, subject area, different refined features. One can sort this result according to date, newest, oldest, cited by highest, cited by lowest, according to relevance of first author name A to Z or Z to A, source title A to Z and Z to A. We can download these results or even we can export the results. If we want, we can export the results by different file types such as CSV, RIS, BibTeX, plain text, and we can also export the result into following reference managers: Mendeley, RefWorks, Zotero, and Note. So One can export up to 20,000 documents in CSV format having citation information only. And for other information, all documents, we can get other bibliographic informations, abstract and keyword, funding. As this has less than 20,000 results, so I can get the full information and can export the results. We can email the results, view their references, view to whom they are cited by, save the list, and we can get the citation overview of first 2000 results. For analyzing the data, see, I am now analyzing the data. So these 2966 documents are analyzed, documents by year, and then document by source, by author, affiliation, country or territory, subject area, type, funding sponsor. You can email these graphs, you can export or take the print of these graphs, and even can change the year range. From this is from 1934 to 2024, you can change the range even. This is a basic overview of documents, basic document search. You can even add the search field. One can add the search field, like I am adding one search field, climate change. So now the search will be coffee product climate change. So now I have got 279 documents on this area, and I can analyze the result, export the results. I have already told you how to export, analyze the results. You can combine the queries if you want, and you can save the search. I have saved the search with name coffee product. You can even set the alert, and this will come to your mail every week or every month. You can see every day, every week. You can choose from every month, and you can choose the days also and set the alert. Whenever any new document come to this search, you will get an alert in your email. Now we move to advanced document search. Advanced document search allow you to create more complex query using field codes, proximity operators, Boolean operators, etc. In this example, I am interested in finding articles on lung cancer. So I am looking for field codes, title, keyword, abstract. Okay. You can select the field code from here, title, abstract and keyword, and then write lung cancer. Another code which I want to add is endnote. so that the search will be on lung cancer only, not on other terms like tumor. So I am writing this and then I am putting and not tumor. To refine more, I will go to subject areas now. And as cancer is a part of health science, and I am taking this term, I am searching in medicine. Okay, now I am searching this term. Okay, so I have found 1,63,281 documents. You can search using subject codes also. If you have knowledge of subject codes, from this option we can get the help from support center, and you can search for the subject codes. So this you will get all science journal classification codes. You have got all the journal classification codes. So this can also be used for advanced search, like you can add subject terms. Now our advanced search feature is over and I will move to other basic searching tips which I want to share with you people. You can conduct a search using a loose phrase. You can use double quotation marks like earlier I have told you, and this will search documents which, like I have given example of climate change, coffee product, that will appear together in not a loose phrase search or separate words. For example, in title abstract keyword I will search coffee product without quotes, and this will search for the document where coffee and product appear together or separately. For Boolean operators, there are three Boolean operators: or, and not. Or will search where one term should be appear, coffee or product, and will search both the terms together, coffee and product, and not will exclude one term, coffee and not product. Now in this term, product will not appear. It will search only coffee. There are two types of wildcards. Question mark will represent a single character. For example, woman will retrieve both woman and woman. WOMAN and WOMEN both. And for representing any number of character, even zero, one can use asterisk. For example, COMPUT asterisk will return computer, computers, computerize, computerization. I have already told you about the example coffee, COFFEE, product, PRODUC asterisk will find coffee product, coffee products and coffee productivity together in a search. For searching exact phrase, one can use braces or curly brackets. For example, oyster toadfish. And if you search without curly bracket, oyster toadfish will retrieve 184 documents, and if you put curly brackets, then it will retrieve 170 documents. I will show you the example shortly. And for proximity operators, we have two. W/N means within, PRE/N means precedes. Within will don't have any order, while precede will have an order while searching the document. For example, if we in title search we search COVID pre/2 virus. This means COVID precedes virus within 2 words. After conducting this search, we will retrieve documents. In this search, COVID-19 virus is there every time. while within COVID can be found within a distance of 2 words from virus. In earlier we should have an order, that means one term should be preceded with the other term, while in this that can be found within, so no order is required. COVID W/2 virus will retrieve 1000 documents, and it like COVID-19 virus during COVID. I have already told you about all science journal classification codes and the example. Now I will show the demo of pre, within and exact phrase searching. So this is in title I am searching COVID pre 2 virus. So 472 search documents are there, and you can see every time COVID-19 virus means COVID is preceded by just two terms. And now I will show you regarding, instead of pre, I am writing within. So today this has retrieved 1004 documents, and COVID-19 virus and updated COVID-19 vaccines. So virus has 2 words and updated. Virus during COVID-19. So this is within, and earlier we have pre. Now I will show you the example of curly bracket means exact search also. So in basic search you can just put the curly brackets. So 170 documents are there, and now I am removing this curly bracket. 184 documents. So this search has more recall than precision, and when we put the curly bracket it has more precision than recall. Both our basic and advanced search is over, and now I am moving to author search. So Scopus author profiles allow researchers to demonstrate their reputation and impact of their outputs, attract other researchers for networking and collaboration. Author profiles allow potential employers and funding agencies to evaluate your work quickly and easily in one place, inform hiring and promotion decision, decide which researcher or teams of researchers will receive research grant. To search an author, select the author tab. From this search, using drop down, enter the last name. For example, I am putting Pant in the last name, and for the first name I am writing Kamal Kishore. If you want to add affiliation, you can also enter the affiliation. I am writing Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, or one can search even using ORCID ID or some keyword. So I am clicking this Kamal Kishore Pant, or Pant Kamal Kishore has 326 documents, 56 H index affiliation, Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. This is the result of Pant Kamal Kishore. One can set the alert or even document alert or author citation alert whenever any new document become a part of this, or even the author receives the citation, you will get the alert through your email. You can even save it to the list, and this will reflect in my Scopus under saved list. See, if I am writing KK Pant and creating one list, so you can see in my Scopus I have one author list, KK Pant. Okay, moving back again, you can see the Scopus ID of Professor Kamal Kishore Pant, his ORCID ID even. You can view the H index, and not only that, H graph also. So you can see his 56 document has received 56 citation, so his H index is 56, and this is the slope where both the intercept are meeting. So you can change this by excluding his self citation or by excluding citation from books and update the graph. You can even change the date range. You can export the graph, print or email the graph. These graphs by source, by type, by year, by subject, and Professor Pant has received 11,572 citations as of now, having 150 co-authors. The important thing which I want to share is that one can edit the author profile. If you find that there is some name variant or some institution change, one can edit the profile through this edit profile. In this, you will get a dialog box. Is this your own profile? Yes, then continue. And you can change by reviewing the request. From this, you can remove the articles, you can submit the request, or even you can remove the article from the profile, or one can even add the article from the profile. If any of the document missing, you can add even. So, and if you move to this help box, one can get the web form for correcting author profile. See, this is the web form you are getting. From help and support, here you will decide your role. You are a librarian, author, editor, publisher, user, and after deciding your role, you can click the reasons why you want to update the profile. If you have any missing document, affiliation correction, author profile correction, citation correction, whatever, you can just choose one of the reason, and you can upload the file regarding which you want to update and send your request. This request will come to your Scopus profile, and you can see from this request dashboard. If you have ever requested for any request, you will get details here. The important thing is that you can set the document alert for each of the document, and if you click any one of his article, you can set the citation alert for each document individually even. See, here we have author matrix, which will tell you, this is a new feature recently inserted in Scopus, so you can see how much collaboration he has. He has international collaboration 25.4%, and his field weight citation impact is 1.78. Field weighted citation impact is the ratio of citation received relative to the expected world average of the subject field, publication type and publication year. Here it means 1.78. So it means he is globally receiving 78% more citation than expected. So now I am moving to research discovery, and this is a new inserted search in the Scopus. Research discovery allow you to connect with the researchers around the globe. You can here search with by writing a simple keyword term on the topic you want to search. For example, I am writing just lung cancer and searching. So here you can refine the search through the year, through the country, organization, etc. So I am not refining the search right now. Just see, I am getting. These are the researchers who are working on the topic lung cancer around the world. And I'm interested in looking the profile of Healy from China. Just I am clicking on the preview profile and see. He is from Chinese Academy of Medical Sciences and Peking Union Medical College, China. Experience having 22-year plus. And you can see, if I want to collaborate with him, I can connect him through his profile details. And moving to the last search is affiliation or organization search. I am interested in viewing documents how Indian Institute of Technology Delhi is working. See, this is the affiliation ID of Indian Institute of Technology. This is the Scopus ID. So you are getting documents for the whole institution 54,500, while document for affiliation 54,477. So in Scopus there is a parent child relationship. For the whole institution is a parent, while affiliation is a child. So obviously, being parent, the whole institution will receive more documents, while affiliation being child has less number of documents. And in authors, IIT Delhi has 11,307 authors. You can save the author list for the 2000 items only, and you can set the alert, you can export the subject area and document by subject area. You can even move to another tab, affiliation hierarchy. Here see, Indian Institute of Technology has one child or affiliation, Centro Biomedical Engineering, having 769 documents. This is collaborating affiliations, telling about the collaborations. IIT Delhi has 924 documents co-authored with AIMS, New Delhi, and then with University of Delhi. Document by source. IIT Delhi authors are contributing more in lecture notes in computer science and including its sub-series on lecture notes in artificial intelligence and lecture notes in bioinformatics. 580 documents are from that source, followed by Journal of Applied Polymer Science and so on. And it has patents as roughly estimated to 10,825. And for document for whole institution, you can click here. If you select, you will view citation overview, and through this citation overview, this will let you know the H index of IIT Delhi, although the results are more than 20,000. If you want to select the documents in one go, then you have to write your email. But for more than 20,000 documents, they will mail you. See, you have almost 45,806 sources in the scope listed in the Scopus, and you can search, refine them according to the open access journal and according to the quartile. There are 4 quartiles in Scopus. First quartile having first top 25 journals in it, and then second quartile after 25 is 26 to 50, then 51 to 75, and then 76 to 100 quartile. Suppose you can search in it through subject area, through title, publisher or ISSN. And this is the all science journal classification code scheme. You can search from here also. And suppose I want to search on oncology. Okay, in medicine oncology is there and I want to search on this. So the top journal is Cancer Journal for Clinicians, and I am searching for that. And you can see in this one can have the Scopus coverage, publisher, ISSN, subject area, type, and you can on the right side you can see site score of this journal, SJR value, SNIP value. I will tell you the details of it. Now come to the site score. See, site score for 2022 will be calculated by the citations of 4 years divided by the total number of documents published in the during those 4 years. Means 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. The citation received in the 4 years divided by the document published in during that 4 years. You will get the site score. While for site score tracker, this is for the current. Every month it keeps on changing, and you can see site score tracker for 2023, and in the bottom you have site score rank. Under site score rank 2022, and for medicine oncology the rank is 1 and percentile is 1. This means Cancer Journal of Clinicians is the top 1% journal. Now come to SJR, another journal metrics available in Scopus after site score. So Saimago Journal Rank. SJR is a measure of the prestige of scholarly journals. SJR scores are computed using network analysis of citation received by journals. The methodology accounts for a number of citation and the source of citation with citation from high prestige journals being worth more than those from journals with low prestige. SNIP is a source normalized journal impact assessment, is calculated as the number of citations given to the present year to the publication in the past 3 preceded years divided by the total number of publication in the past 3 years. Simply SNIP is the number of citation given to the present year. For example, say 2022 to the publication in the past 3 years means 2021, 2020 and 2019. This will give you divided by 19 by the total number of publication in the past 3 years. A journal with an SNIP of 1 has the median number of citations for the journal in that field. The impact of a single citation is given to a higher value in the subject areas, while citations that are likely and lower value in the subject area where citations are more likely. So now we come to compare sources. Suppose I want to publish in a review article on lung cancer in a journal and I want to compare the source on oncology. So first I can compare up to 10 journals in this. In the source title I will you can compare this with Cancer Cell and another journal. So you will see the graph. This is for cancer journals for clinical, then Nature reviews cancer, and last is Cancer Cell. So how they are doing. This is the site score of publication by year. You can check SJR value, SNIP citation by year, documents by year, percentage not cited by year, percentage review articles. See, obviously if you see this graph before sending your review article, you will see obviously Cancer Journal for Clinicals will be best suitable one. So after site score, you can go to site score rank and trend. You can see how a journal is performing. Obviously, Cancer Journal for Clinicals is on the top in category oncology, and you can see the content coverage. Okay, from here you can see, check the citation overview for 2024 of this journal. Exclude the citation from books. So how this journal is performing, you can see. This course you need for export data from the Scopus so that you can analyze using open source software. So exporting the data with the search string for lung cancer not tumor under medicine, document type article, limit to language and to journal with year range 2024 to 2020, and now I am limiting this. So after refining the term, I have got 19,441 documents, and now see how I am exporting. I am exporting the CSV file, the both things. So if I want to get the whole information, then even I can save as preference. If I save this as preference, then for all the searches the same kind of export will be done. So see, now it's exporting to CSV file. So the export has been completed. We can see how the results look like. So here you have the documents. You can check the number of documents exported in the Excel. This is for the Scopus. For your queries, you can write to me at Vanitha at library.iitd.ac.in, or you can write to us on discussion forums. Thank you.